CPU, MediaTek Helio P23MT6763. GPU, Mali G71. RAM, 6GB. Storage, 128GB. Screen size, 5.7 inch. Resolution, 1440 by 720. Weight, 249 grams. Dimensions, 164 by 80 by 13.3 millimeters. Rear camera, 16MP plus 13MP. Front camera, 16MP plus 8MP. OS, Android 7.1.1. Battery, 5.80 Ah. The phone is an IP68 model, which means that it should survive drops, immersion in water and exposure to dust and worse. It houses a 5.18 Ah battery, which can be shared, one of the biggest we've ever seen on a rugged smartphone. Only the AGM X2 and the S60 did better in recent memory. Sadly, that big battery is powered by a 5V2A power supply unit, so there's no fast charge available. With 4 cameras and a total of 53 megapixels, the S50 is certainly the most photo-friendly rugged device we've tested yet. Doogee claims that the front cameras have a 130 degrees super wide-angle capability. The 5.7-inch display is also the biggest we've seen to date, but it has a 1440 by 720 resolution, 18:9 aspect ratio, yielding one of the lowest pixel densities of the rugged smartphones on the market. Not that this will be supremely important unless you are a sucker for a super sharp display. The phone supports 4G LTE standby on both SIM slots, one of which can be used for a microSD card. It does not offer 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, though, which is a real shame.